ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। Uma, can you decline Shubh Dhatu?
Shubh. Okay. I have to look it up. So give me one.
Yes, I will share.
So Kartari Latlakara, Chobate, Chobhete, Chobhante, Shobase, Shobhethe, Shobhadve, Shobhe, Shobhavahe, Shobhamahe. And Litlakara, Chukshubhe, Chukshubhate, Chukshubhire, Chukshubhishe, Chukshubhathe, Chukshubhidve, Chukshubhe, Chukshubhipahe, Chukshubhimahe. Lut laka. Are we doing lut or are we doing lut? Should we do lut or lit?
Yes, Lut. Continue, 10 lakaras.
Okay. Chobita, Chobitarau, Chobitaraha, Chobitase, Chobitasathe, Chobitadve, Chobitahe, Chobitasvahe, Chobitasmahe. Dritlakara. Chobishyate, Chobishyete, Chobishyante, Chobishyase, Chobishyethe, Chobishyadve, Chobishye, Chobishyavahe, Chobishyamahe. Lot Lakara. Chobatam, Chobhetam, Chobhantam, Chobasva, Chobhetam, Chobhadvam, Chobhai, Chobhavahai, Chobhamahe. Lang Lakara. Akshobhata, Akshobhetam, Akshobhanta, Akshobhathaha, Akshobhetham, Akshobhadvam, Akshobhe, Akshobhavahi, Akshobhamahi. Vidhilinga Lakara. Shobeta, Shobeyatam, Shoberan, Shobethaha, Shobeyatham, Shobedvam, Shobeya, Shobevahi, Shobemahi.
Ashirling?
Ashirling also. Okay. Shobishishta, Shobishiyastam, Shobishiran, क्षोभिष्यिष्ठाः क्षोभिष्यीयास्थां क्षोभिष्यीध्वं क्षोभिष्यीय क्षोभिष्यीवहि क्षोभिष्यीमहि. Okay, you have to do lung, right? Okay. Shall I do both Parasmay Padam and
Yeah.
Atman?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Akshubhat, Akshubhatam, Akshubhan, Akshubha, Akshubhatam, Akshubhata, Akshubham, Akshubhava, Akshubhama, Akshobhishta, Akshobhishatam, Akshobhishata, Akshobhishtaha, Akshobhishatham, Akshobhidvam, Akshobhishi, Akshobhishvahi, Akshobhishmahi. Ring lakara. Akshobhishyata, Akshobhishyetam, Akshobhishyanta, Akshobhishyathaha, Akshobhishyetam, tham, Akshobhishyadvam, Akshobhishye, Akshobhishyavahi, Akshobhishyamahi.
Next one. Spand. Shivananji, did you decline last time?
Yes, Amma. Last one I declined, Amma. No was second decline.
Upendraji is there?
Upendraji is not there, Pulaji.
Okay.
Sorry, Amma. Sorry,
Hmm.
some call came. Sorry.
Okay. You want to decline this one?
It's okay, Amma. I will decline. Spandate, spandete, spandante, spandase, spandethe, spandadve, spande, spandavahe, spandamahe. Lit lakara. Paspande, paspandate, paspandire, paspandishu, paspandishe, paspandate, paspandidve, paspande, paspandivahe, paspandimahe. लुट्लकारः. स्पन्दिता, स्पन्दितारौ, स्पन्दितारः, स्पन्दितासे, स्पन्दितासाथे, स्पन्दिताद्वे, स्पन्दिताद्वे, स्पन्दिताहे, स्पन्दितास्वहे, स्पन्दितास्महे. लृट्लकारः. स्पन्दिष्यते, स्पन्दिष्येते, स्पन्दिष्यन्ते, स्पन्दिष्यसे, स्पन्दिष्येथे, स्पन्दिष्यद्वे, स्पन्दिष्ये, स्पन्दिष्यावहे, स्पन्दिष्यामहे. लोट्लकारः. अस्पन्दत, sorry, स्पन्दतां, स्पन्देतां, स्पन्दन्तां, स्पन्दस्व, स्पन्देथां, स्पन्दध्वं, स्पन्दध्वं, स्पन्दै, स्पन्दावहै, स्पन्दामहै. लङ्लकारः. अस्पन्दत, अस्पन्देताम्, अस्पन्दन्त, अस्पन्दथाः, अस्पन्देथाम्, अस्पन्दध्वम्, अस्पन्दे, अस्पन्दावहि, अस्पन्दामहि. विधिलिङ्गकर. स्पन्देते, स्पन्देयाताम्,
Spandeta.
विधिलिङ्ग. ओके. स्पन्देत, स्पन्देयाताम्, स्पन्देरन्, स्पन्देथाः स्पन्देयाथां स्पन्देध्वं स्पन्देय स्पन्देवहि स्पन्देमहि आशीर्लिङ् लकार स्पन्दिशिष्ठ स्पन्दिशीयास्थां स्पन्दिशीरन् स्पन्दिशिष्ठाः स्पन्दिशीयास्थां स्पन्दिशीध्वं स्पन्दिशीय स्पन्दिशीवहि स्पन्दिशीमहि.
Not spandi, not dirgha hrasva. Spandishishta, spandishastam, spandishiran.
स्पन्दिशिष्ठ which one lung lakara? Okay.
Lung.
Aspandishta aspandishatham tam aspandishata aspandishthaha aspandishatham aspandidhvam aspandishi aspandishvahi aspandishmahi. Lung lakara अस्पंदिश्यत अस्पंदिश्येताम अस्पंदिश्यन्त अस्पंदिश्यताः यताः अस्पंदिश्येताम अस्पंदिश्यध्वम अस्पंदिश्य अस्पंदिश्यामहि अस्पंदिश्यावहि अस्पंदिश्यामहि.
Anusha.
भ्रंशते भ्रंशेते भ्रंशन्ते भ्रंशसे भ्रंशेते भ्रंशद्वे भ्रंशे भ्रंशावहे भ्रंशामहे. लिट्लकार भ्रंशे बभ्रंशे बभ्रंशाते बभ्रंशिरे बभ्रंशिषे बभ्रंशाथे बभ्रंशिद्वे बभ्रंशे बभ्रंशिवहे बभ्रंशिमहे. लुट् लकार भ्रंशिष्यते भ्रंशिष्येते भ्रंशिष्यन्ते भ्रंशिष्यसे भ्रंशिष्येथे भ्रंशिष्यद्वे भ्रंशिष्ये भ्रंशिष्यावहे भ्रंशिष्यामहे.
Lut.
भ्रंशिष्य भ्रंशतां भ्रंशेतां भ्रंशन्तां भ्रंशस्व भ्रंशेतां भ्रंशध्वं भ्रंशै भ्रंशावहे भ्रंशामहे.
Lut.
लुट् भ्रंशिष्यते भ्रंशिष्यते भ्रंशिष्येते भ्रंशिष्यन्ते भ्रंशिष्यसि.
నేను చెప్పాను
లుట్
లుట్ అన్నాను లుట్
లుట్ లుట్ లక్కరమ్మ. భ్రంశతా భ్రంశతారౌ భ్రంశితారః
శీత
భ్రంశితా భ్రంశితారౌ భ్రంశితారః భ్రంశితాసే భ్రంశితాసాథే భ్రంశితాద్వే భ్రంశితాహే భ్రంశితాస్వహే భ్రంశితాస్మహే. లుట్ లకార భ్రంశిష్యతే
ఫినిష్డ్ లంగ్ చెప్పినావు కదా రుట్
స్టార్ట్ చేసినానమ్మా మళ్ళీ రుట్ అనలేదని.
ఒకసారి ఫినిష్ చేసినావు రెండోసారి స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆపేసాను లంగ్.
ఓకే లంగ్ లకార అభ్రంశత్ అభ్రంశేతాం
అభ్రంశత
అభ్రంశత అభ్రంశేతాం అభ్రంశంత అభ్రంశాతాః अभ्रंशेताम् अभ्रंशद्वम् अभ्रंशे अभ्रंशावहि अभ्रंशामहि विधिलिंग भ्रंशेत भ्रंशेयाताम्
Not Brahmshed, Brahmsheta.
भ्रंशेत भ्रंशेयाताम् भ्रंशेरन् भ्रंशेताः भ्रंशेयाथाम् भ्रंशेद्वम् भ्रंशेय भ्रंशेवहि भ्रंशेमहि आशीर्लिङ्गकारः भ्रंशिष्ट
Brahmshi, Brahmshishishta.
भ्रंशिशिष्ट भ्रंशिशीयास्ताम् भ्रंशिशीरन् भ्रंशिशिष्टाः भ्रंशिशीयास्ताम् भ्रंशिशीद्वम् भ्रंशिशीय भ्रंशिशीवहि भ्रंशिशीमहि लुङ् लकार अभ्रंशत् अभ्रंशद् अभ्रशत्
Anuswara ledu.
अभ्रशत् अभ्रशद्
నకార లోప జరుగుతుంది అక్కడ. అభ్రషత్
अभ्रशत् अभ्रशद् अभ्रशताम् अभ्रशन् अभ्रशः अभ्रशतम् अभ्रशत अभ्रशम् अभ्रश अभ्रशाव अभ्रशाम మా ఆత్మనేపథ్య కూడా అభ్రంశిష్ట అభ్రంశిషాతాం అభ్రంశిషత్
అభ్రంశిషత
అభ్రంశిషత అభ్రంశిష్టాః అభ్రంశిషాతాం అభ్రంశిద్వం అభ్రంశిషి అభ్రంశిష్వాహి స్వహి అభ్రంశిష్వహి అభ్రంశిష్మహి లుంగ్ లకార అభ్రంశిష్యత అభ్రంశిష్యేతాం అభ్రంశిష్యంత అభ్రంశిష్యతాః అభ్రంశిష్యేతాం అభ్రంశిష్యద్వం అభ్రంశిష్యే అభ్రంశిష్యావహి అభ్రంశిష్యామహి
నెక్స్ట్ భ్రాష్ ధాతు. విజయాజీ భ్రాష్ ధాతు.
भ्राजते भ्राजेते भ्राजन्ते भ्राजसे भ्राजेते भ्राजद्वे भ्राजे भ्राजावहे भ्राजामहे लिट्लकार बभ्राजे बभ्राजाते बभ्राजिरे बभ्राजिषे बभ्राजाते बभ्राजिद्वे बभ्राजे बभ्राजिवहे बभ्राजिमहे लुट्लकार ब्राजिता ब्राजितारौ ब्राजितारः ब्राजितासे भ्राजितासाथे ब्राजिताद्वे ब्राजिताहे ब्राजितास्वहे ब्राजितास्महे लृट्लकार भ्राजिष्यते भ्राजिष्येते भ्राजिष्यन्ते भ्राजिष्यसे भ्राजिष्येथे भ्राजिष्यद्वे ब्राजिष्ये ब्राजिष्यावहे ब्राजिष्यामहे लोट् लकार भ्राजतां भ्राजेतां भ्राजन्तां भ्राजस्व भ्राजेथां भ्राजध्वं भ्राजै भ्राजावहै भ्राजामहे लङ् लकार अभ्राजत अभ्राजेताम् अभ्राजन्त अभ्राजताः अभ्राजेथाम् अभ्राजध्वम् अभ्राजे अभ्राजावहि अभ्राजामहि विधिलिङ् लकार भ्राजते भ्राजेत भ्राजेयातां भ्राजेरन् भ्राजेथाः भ्राजेयात्थां भ्राजेध्वं भ्राजेय भ्राजेवहि भ्राजेमहि आशीर्लिङ् भ्राजिशिष्ट भ्राजिशीयास्तां भ्राजिशीरन् भ्राजिशीष्ठाः भ्राजिशीयास्तां भ्राजिशीध्वं भ्राजिशीय भ्राजिशीवहि भ्राजिशीमहि लुङ् नकार अभ्राजिष्ट अभ्राजिषाताम् अभ्राजिषत अभ्राजिष्टाः अभ्राजिषाताम् अभ्राजिध्वम् अभ्राजिषि अभ्राजिष्वहि अभ्राजिष्महि लृङ् लकार अभ्राजिष्यत अभ्राजिष्येताम् अभ्राजिष्यन्त अभ्राजिष्यताः अभ्राजिष्येताम् अभ्राजिष्यध्वम् अभ्राजिष्ये अभ्राजिष्यावहि अभ्राजिष्यामहि
Okay. Did we see this niyama? Shatam, Sahasram, Ayutam. So this niyama 103. Shatam will be Ekavachanam and Napumsakalinga. Same way Sahasram, Ayutam, Laksham, Prayutam, Niyutam, Arbudam, Kharvam, Neelam, Padmam, Shankam. All Shabdas are in Ekavachanam and Napumsakalinga alone. Koti alone is Ekavachanam but Strilinga. It goes like Mativat. All other Shabdas, it goes like Gruhavat. That is the 103 Niyama. So next, how to make the Shabdas, they have given Niyamas. So on page number 139, all other numbers are there in the PDF here. Here this Trimshat, Ekatrimshat, Dvatrimshat, Trayastrimshat, Chatastrimshat, Panchatrimshat, So all these numbers, they have explained some places Sandhi will happen, some places Sandhi won't happen. So it is based on Sandhi Sutras. That's all. Like Trayaha is there, Trimshat is there. So Visarga will change into Sakara. By which sutra? Visarga will change into Sakara by which sutra?
विसर्जनीयस्य सः
धन्यस्य सः
Visarjaniyasya saha. Like here also, Chatur is there. Rakara change into Sakara. So Rakara directly won't change into Sakara. Rakara change into Visarga, Visarga change into Sakara. Rakara change into Visarga by which sutra?
ससजुषोरुः
Sasujushoruhu. Then that Visarga change into Sakara by Kharvasanayor Visarjaniyaha. Like Pancha Trimshat, there is no Sandhi. Shat Trimshat, Sapta Trimshat, there is no Sandhi. Ashta Trimshat, there is no Sandhi. Nava Trimshat, Chatvarimshat, there is no Sandhis. So some places, when it is required, we have to do Sandhi. That's all. But otherwise, what is the Shabda? If we can remember, like Chatustrimshat, Panchatrimshat, like that, that is enough. Next niyama is Divadigana. Divadibhyaha Shan. How many ganas we have seen so far?
3, I think.
What are they?
First one was Bhavati Gana, and then Dvik. It was Dvik Adati Gana, and then the third one was, I don't remember the third one.
Anybody?
Juhotyadigana. Juhotyadigana.
Juhotyadigana. Hmm. This is Divadigana. Div is the first dhatu. Starting with Div dhatu, they all are called Divadigana. This is fourth conjugation. Gana in English we call as conjugation. Divadigana, fourth conjugation. In Prathama Gana, what is the Vikarana Pratyaya?
Shap.
Shap is the Vikarana Pratyaya. Dvitiya and Tritiya Gana?
Shap.
Shap, but it lopa happens, I think.
It gets lopa.
Yes.
In this fourth Gana, Shan is the Vikarana Pratyaya. That is what this niyama says, that's all. दिवादिभ्यः शन सार्वधातु के कर्तरी प्रत्यये परे दिवादि गणस्य धातोः परः शन प्रत्ययः विधीयते. When it is in the sense of using in the sense of kartari, also that dhatu belongs to sarvadhatuka. Two kinds of dhatus are there, sarvadhatuka and ardhadhatuka. So think shit sarvadhatukam. Shall I write here?
Yes,
Ting shit sarvadhatukam. Whatever, if there are ting pratyas or shit. Shit means shakara gets its sanya. Then that is called shit pratyaya. Ting pratyas or shit pratyas, if they are there, then it is called a sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Sarvadhatuka. Ardhadhatuka means shesha, whatever is remaining, not which is not ting and which is not shit, is called ardhadhatuka. Is this point clear? Ting means we use 9 pratyas, right? Tiptas, jhi, siptas, tha, mippas, mas.
Yes.
Ta, asam, jha. All this. 18, not 9 pratyas, 18 pratyas are ting pratyas. Shit means shakara gets lopa. Those pratyas are called shit pratyas. Ting, if it is ting, then it is called sarvadhatukam. If it is shit, then it is called sarvadhatukam. Either ting or shit. Whatever is not ting, whatever is not shit is called ardhadhatukam. So now this sarvadhatuke kartari. Dhatu which is sarvadhatukam. And in the sense, we are using that dhatu in the sense of kartari pratyaya. After this pratyaya, kartari pratyaya, divadi ganasya dhatoho. If it is divadi gana dhatu, dhatoho paraha, after this dhatu, shan pratyaya will come. Shan pratyaya vidhiyate. Shan pratyaya will come. We'll see here example. Nru is the dhatu. Nru by itself, sarvadhatukama, ardhadhatukama. Nru by itself, sarvadhatukama, ardhadhatukama.
Sarvadhatukam,
What is sarvadhatukam?
which is neither thin, which is neither ship.
No, which belongs to
It is
thing,
there.
which belongs to shit
Yeah.
is sarvadhatukam.
Sarvadhatuka, correct.
Huh. Which belongs to thing, which belongs to shit is sarvadhatukam.
Okay.
Nru is sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam?
Then it is ardhadhatukam.
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 No, if there is other than ting pratyaya, other than shit pratyaya, if there is some other pratyaya, then it is ardhadhatukam. But nru by itself is not sarvadhatukam, not ardhadhatukam. Is it clear? Like ting or shit, not, I am saying not ting, not shit. Then what is the other pratyaya? Like quin pratyaya is there. For this, I'm not sure whether quin pratyaya belongs to sarvadhatuka or the ardhadhatuka. Just for understanding, this quin is not ting and this quin is not shit. Then what it calls? Ardhadhatuka. Like that, there are some other pratyayas other than ting and shit. They are called ardhadhatuka. So, nru by itself is not sarvadhatukam, by itself it is not ardhadhatukam. Lat. We want to use in kartari vartamanam. Dru. What is the pratyaya in lat lakara for kartari?
Tip pratyaya.
Tip.
Tip is the pratyaya. Now, It is tip. Tip is there. Tip is there means it is thing, belongs to thing. Thing means, is it sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam?
Swar.
Sarvadhatukam.
Sarvadhatukam. Because it belongs to thing, so it is called sarvadhatukam. Sarvadhatukam, therefore, shan pratyaya will come. Dru plus shan. New Dru plus shan plus tip. Dru plus shan plus, in this tip, pakara gets lopa. By which sutra?
Lopa Shakar.
Halantyam lo.
Halantyam. By halantyam, what is the karya done by halantyam?
The Itsanya, given the Itsanya.
Itsanya. Halantyam, by halantyam sutra, it gets itsanya. So pakara is getting itsanya. So whatever is itsanya, what happens to that letter?
Tasya lopaha.
It gets lopa. Dru plus shan. In this also, this nakara is halantyam, right?
Yes.
At the end of the upadesha. This shan is called upadesha shabda. Then upadeshe ajanunasika it. Sorry, it is not upadesha, halantyam. By halantyam sutra only. This nakara is itsanya. Because hal and it is at the end. Halantyam. Nakara gets itsanya by tasya lopaha. Then this shakara gets lopa. By which sutra? Do you remember?
Kartarisha.
What is the karya has done by Kartarisha? We have done it for Patati. There Shap Pratyaya came. So there also Shakara. Shakara is there or Shakara disappeared?
Yes. And we get it is replaced by
Replaced by A. That means what happens to Shakara? Shakara gets lopa. Lopa by tasya lopaha, but it gets itsangna. Itsangna by lashakva tadhite. Lashakva tadhite. By this sutra, Shakara gets itsangna. Then tasya lopaha. Nakara gets itsangna by halantyam and tasya lopaha. Up to this is clear?
Yes.
So the dhatu is nr, right? In this
Hmm.
case.
Yes,
And
yes.
it's a divadigana dhatu. Is that correct?
Hmm.
Yeah. And then so I thought, and then the vikarana pratyaya that comes between r and ti, tip
Hmm.
is shan. Then
Yes.
so how does the bhavadigana vikarana pratyaya shap come? What does it come in between? I thought that shap is restricted to bhavadigana. Is that not correct?
It is shap can come in Vadigana, Adadigana, and Juhotyadigana. In 3 ganas, shap will come.
Yeah, and it
But
gets lower in the other two.
huh.
Yes. So
But
is
here,
Divadi also
huh?
can it can come with Divadi Gana also?
No, it won't come.
So I thought we just mentioned Kartari Shap.
Huh. So there is like when we go further, let me explain that. Sorry, this is not Nru Dhatu, Nrut. Nrut is the Dhatu. Then final form is Nrutyati. Divadigana is 3169. You see the order? 68 is Kartari Shap and 69 is Divadibhyaha Shyan. So this comes later, but I don't know what explanation they have given. Here सार्वधातुके कर्तरि प्रत्यये परे धातोः परः शप् प्रत्ययः विधीयते. In all ganas, shap will come by Kartari shap in 10 ganas. 10 ganas are there. In 10 ganas, common niyama is Vikarana Pratyaya. Common Vikarana Pratyaya is shap. But if they mention specifically something, like Sarvadhatuke Kartari Pratyaya Pare, Divadi Ganasya Dhatoho. If it is Divadi Gana, then Shan Pratyaya will come. They have mentioned specifically Divadigana.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
Nrityati. So in all ganas, this vikarana pratyaya will change. Like in ninth conjugation also will change, fifth conjugation also will change. Fifth conjugation I don't remember, but ninth conjugation it changes. So in some ganas, vikarana pratyaya will change. Based on vikarana pratyaya only, we will recognize this is belongs to this gana. Like in bhu dhatu, this yakara won't be there. In vadigana, yakara won't be there. Adadigana, juhotyadigana, yakara won't be there. Wherever yakara is there, it is fourth conjugation, that is divadigana. Even if we take div dhatu, and this is Sudra. Div dhatu, divyati. Yakara is there. So like that, whenever in lakara, this especially in lat lakara, if there is yakara, then we can recognize it is belongs to divadigana. Nrityati form comes by this.
Can you, I mean, I understood how shan, the na, halantyam, itsanya, lopa happens. How does the sh get dropped? Can you please explain how sh becomes ya?
Sha is itsanya by lashakva taddite, by this sutra.
Okay. Okay.
Keep it, this taddita bhinna pratyaya, keep it aside. औपदेशिक स्वरूपस्य आदौ विद्यमानः लकारः शकारः कवर्गीय वर्णः च इत्संज्ञकः भवति. औपदेशिक स्वरूप, औपदेशिक means that which is belongs to upadesha. So this whatever sutras are there, those sutras are upadesha only. So this shyan is divadibhyah shyan. So it is coming from sutra. So that is upadesha only. In that upadesha, adau, at the beginning, if it is there is lakara or shakara or kavarga, if it is there, then those letters will get itsanya.
Okay. So there is no kartari shap involved in this, right? That was my
No.
confusion. Okay,
No,
good.
no, no.
Thank you. Yeah, that makes sense.
And this shakara get itsanya by lashakva taddite, then tasya lopaha gets lopa by tasya lopaha. Then nrityati, nrityati, just mixed up. Then the another sutra is Sandhi Sutra. Bho bhago agho apurvasya yoshi. This is the sutra. Bho bhago agho apurvasya yoshi. Etat purvasya roho ya adeshaha ashi. Instead of looking at this vritti and all, just look at here. If there is a rukara, before rukara means rukara preceded by bho, bhago, ago or a, any one of the pada. Either it is bho or bhago or agho or akara. And it should be followed by ash pratyahara, preceded by bho, bhago, agho, a, followed by ash. Then that rukara will be replaced by yakara. Rukara will be replaced by yakara by this sutra. Is it clear? Explanation?
Sorry,
Yes.
how does it apply in what we were just talking about? You said this sutra, how is it applied in that case? How it becomes here?
Here we'll see example.
We were looking at Nrityati, right?
No, that has gone. This is another niyama.
Oh, this is just.
105.
Oh, this is sorry. I'm sorry, I missed that. Thank you.
This is the Bho Bhago Agho Purvasya Yoshi Sutra. Sandhi Sutra. In this sutra, Rukara preceded by Bho, Bhago, Agho and a, any one of the letter, and followed by Ash. Then that Rukara will be replaced by Yakara. Then Bhos Devaha. This is the Padam. Sakara will be replaced by Rukara by Sasojusho Ruhu. Then Bhoi Devaha. This Rukara preceded by Bho. I'll make here one more step. Bho, Ru, Devaha. This Rukara preceded by Bho and followed by Ash Pratyahara. Ash Pratyahara means Sarve Swaraha, Varga Tritiya, Chaturtha, Panchama, Antasthaha, Hakara. All these letters belongs to Ash Pratyahara. So in that, Dakara is also included. So Rukara preceded by Bho and followed by Ash Pratyahara. Then that Rukara will change into Yakara. Bhoi Devaha. Then this Yakara gets Lopa by Halish Sarvesham. Yakara gets Lopa by Halish Sarvesham. Then the final form will be Bho Devaha. Is this clear?
So Hali Sarvesham is something we covered before.
We have not.
Okay.
After this sutra only it will come. I think it will come in next chapter. I'm just checking. Otherwise we can see now itself. It's not given here. It is there in this. Hali Sarvesham, it is there. Bho Bhago Agho Apurvasya Yasya Lopaha Syat Hali. Whenever in Bho Bhago Agho Apurva, in all these shabdas, whenever this Yakara gets Lopa, then after Yakara, if there is Hal, Hali means Hal Pratyahara. Hal means all consonants. Then that Yakara gets Lopa. Sorry, one day say, whenever Bho, Bhago, Agho, all these shabdas followed by Yakara. Yakara is there with all these shabdas. Then that Yakara followed by Hal. Then that Yakara will get Lopa. Sorry, here you see Yakara is there. This Yakara preceded by Bho and followed by Hal. Then that Yakara will get Lopa. If this yakara gets lopa only when it is preceded by bho, agho, bho, bhago, agho and akara. Also, it should be followed by hal. Then only that yakara will get lopa, not in other places. Is this understood?
Yes, thank you.
So here the bho devaha is there, na? So then we changed rukara, changed into yakara by bho bhago agha purvasya yoshi. Then that yakara will get lopa by hali sarvesha, by that sutra. Same for bhago agho all those shabdas also. I haven't written here all those shabdas. We can see this in many times in the Bhashya. This bho bhago agha purvasya yoshi. We don't see that yakara gets lopa. What we feel is visarga is there, that visarga gets lopa. We can do in both ways. See, here I have written bhoru devaha, bhoho devaha. That rukara gets visarga by sasajusho ruhu. Sorry, Karavasanayor Visarjaniyaha. By that sutra, it gets visarga. Bhoho devaha can be there. That visarga gets lopa. Means visarga will not come, yakara will come and it gets lopa. Bho devaha. That way. If we use visarga, then it is Karavasanayor Visarjaniyaha.
Munati, would you please write Karavasaniya, the sutra on the right side, if that is,
Yes.
so that when we. Thank you.
But if you mention here, you will get confused. I'll just, this portion explained in the previous line, so I will just remove that. So either we can go in this method, either we can go in this method. Because after visarga, it won't get yakara. After rukara only, yakara will come. Either yakara will come and get lopa or visarga can come. Both ways.
Okay.
Okay, this is the Niyama 105.
It is also like that Shruti, Linga, Vakya, so many steps, we can choose only one step.
Yeah, that kind of sutras are there. That is called Tripadi, Sapana Saptadhyayi and Tripadi. So Tripadi will be Asiddha for Sapadi, Sapadi will be Asiddha for Tripadi, like that. There are some explanations. So the explanation is very different, you know. He explains that for this sutra, for example, there is a X sutra is there. For that, A sutra is not existing. For us, that sutra is existing, but this X sutra, A sutra is not existing. First time when we hear that, what kind of explanation is this? For us, it is existing. For that sutra, it is not existing. Means what? But he put forth a lot of effort to explain those points very clearly. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.